The Netherlands. It borders Belgium in the south. To the east, it borders Germany. To the northwest, it borders the North Sea. The most important cities are Amsterdam, The Hague, and Rotterdam. Amsterdam is the capital. The government and parliament are in The Hague. Only around 50% of the land is more than 1 meter above sea level. The land is flat. The climate is mild. The Netherlands is the world's second largest exporter of food and agricultural products. The Netherlands is divided into the north and the south by the Rhine, the Waal, and the Meuse. The polders are large areas that have been reclaimed from the sea and lakes. Windmills were used to drain the lakes. The soil on this land is very fertile. Tulips are grown on this land. Most of the tulip farms are in the northeast polder in the province of Flevoland. This area is known as the Kop van Noord-Holland. It is the largest continuous bulb-growing area in Holland. You can see the tulips in bloom from mid-March to the end of May. Rotterdam. The Cube residence is one icon in Rotterdam. It consists of 38 homes. It was designed by Piet Bloem to be a village in a city. The cubes were rotated 45 degrees. The design represents a tree and the houses are the wood. The Euromast is one of the highest towers in Holland. The platform is 100 meters high and the Euroscoop is 185 meters. The view at the top of the Euromast is spectacular. The port of Rotterdam is mainly used for container transshipment. Rotterdam Port is the largest port in Europe. Amsterdam. In Amsterdam, you can see the Van Gogh Museum. It houses the greatest collection of paintings by Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh was a 19th century Dutch post-impressionist painter. Another famous museum is called the Rijksmuseum. Here you can see masterpieces from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. In the Anne Frank Museum, you can see where Anne and her family hid from the Germans during the Second World War. She wrote a diary of her time in this secret home. The Royal Palace. This is situated on Dam Square in Amsterdam. It is still used by the royal family. You can see the marble floors, paintings, sculptures and chandeliers. The Hague. This is the third largest city. It is in the west of the Netherlands. It is the seat of the Dutch government and parliament. The International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court are in The Hague. Delft. Delft blue and white pottery is very famous. The Science Centre, Delft. At the Science Centre in the University of Technology, children can experiment using the machines. Bye-bye.